Hello friends, in this video we want to check the benefits of the moon on the Earth. In the absence of the moon, the tides of the oceans will be at least 3 times and the height of the oceans will be several times. The gravity of the moon causes the water of the planet to rise. The equator can be reached. In the absence of the moon, the water in the oceans moved towards the poles. In the absence of the moon, it will cause severe weather changes, which will lead to huge storms and cause the melting of the polar ice caps, which will lead to the temperature balance. Very hot summers and freezing winters, which will lead to the extinction of species. It becomes an animal. In the presence of the moon, we have 4 balanced seasons. The moon slows down the rotation of the Earth, and this has a great impact on the temperature of the Earth and its climate. In the absence of the moon, the Earth rotates at an angle of 90 degrees or more, which increases the temperature and creates severe storms. And the result of the ocean caused the destruction of large parts of the land. Before the formation of the moon, the days were about 6 hours, and now there are 23 hours and 56 seconds in the day and night. In the absence of the moon, the Earth's day would be shorter and every day would be only 6 to 8 hours, and every year our planet would last for 1400 years. The moon has a regular day and night. In the absence of the moon, the rotation and angle of the Earth would change in such a way that only a few minutes of sunlight would reach a part of the Earth during the day. Like Uranus with an angle of 97 degrees, 42 years of night would be 42 years of day. In the presence of the moon, the Earth's nights are very beautiful and suitable for observation. But in the absence of the moon, the next bright object in the night sky is Venus. But it cannot illuminate the Earth's sky enough. The moon is 2,000 times brighter than Venus, and space observation is difficult without the moon. The first moon reflected radio waves in space, which has greatly contributed to the development of radars and the development of technology. In the absence of the moon, many of the current advances in physics and space technology would have been completed much later. The study of the reflection of these waves from the surface of the moon was designed devices for the location of the sun and other objects, as well as many actions of astronauts to guide the space near the moon, are effective in the development of space technology. If you like this video, show your support by liking and subscribing.